Gaurav Gogoi hasn't yet spoken a word against the person who sang the Bangladeshi national anthem in Barak Valley.
Gaurav Gogoi, Pakistani agent, purely Pakistani agent. And moi koa karone sahok ase jodi mur upor defamation case dio. He is a pure Pakistan agent. Mur logot jiman tothyo ase. Moi jidinakhon apunalukok dim. Hidinakhon apunaluke gom pabo he is a 100% Pakistani agent. He has been planted by foreign power in the state of India, in our country. He is a planted person. Aru tar upojukto praman loi moi kothato koisu. Niyom mote election ase buli. Election nathakile to moi aru kothor hoi dekhuai dilu eten. Kinu election ase kiba eta korile manuhe kobo je political karonot korile. Nohole mur hatot iman din jiman kheni tothyo ase. Tar pisot teo asolete mukoli bhabe ghuri thakiboi noar. Kunbai bhabi ase je kagoj nai niki 10 September dekhua nai kintu moye hoy. Moi ji koribo lage timeot korime ji koribo lage 100%. Aru he is a pure Pakistan agent and as a chief minister moi koi asu. He is a planted person. Moi as a chief minister koi asu. Khali press conference kon kora nai kan nohole kobo akol Jubinor issue divert korabo jitu apuni ematroi kole he karone Jubinok nyai pradan korar kamtu kori loye itu kamot hat